or more of this audience in the Singapore Indoor Stadium. Really feeling for Jens Colvin now. Boos ringing around.
Like you mentioned before, Jens gets up to 5 minutes. It's not,
and they're looking at the replay.
well, I don't think it was intentional, but I do think that it just shows a disregard for where you're aiming your shots. You have to be very cognizant of that stuff.
Oh, still looks in an awful lot of discomfort, Jens.
That's putting it mildly.
First time this happened, he really looks in a bad way.
Yeah, that's not, you know, we'd hate to have a fight end this way, but
it would be a very disappointing way for the contest to end.
A background, not afraid to strike. There's a lot of punches.
Oh, really? Theory, Jason, haven't you? The wider the gap in terms of age,
the more the combos there, and as soon as he does.
Oh, left hand connected, and another right, and
thinking about picking the shots.
That
matchup where it's a southpaw versus an orthodox.
Oh, a little bit after.
Really patient. He's massive amount of experience at Jen. It's like Feza.
Which overcomes experience.
Lead leg.
The younger man with the more chance he has from a couple. Although this second round begins. Here's where.
Right now, 135 pounds, 30 pounds.
Struggling over cardio perspective, even as you get into your late third. Crisp. Flagging a bit. I wonder if Colvin will
let's go.
took that side of the leg kick and now, oh, what a good left hand. I spoke about it just a moment ago.
Knocked the mouthpiece right out of it. That would be the end of the night.
Knees to the head.
See that right knee, just like we were talking about, coming over.
Pressing in the stomach.
It's really underutilized. So he got caught in the eye a little bit there.
Yeah, just caught at his left eye. Goes to the takedown.
He's not very good up kicks. So he wasn't very. He's good up.
Oh, sure.
Yep, don't let him up there saying, but knows how to pace himself. Good left from Jens.
For Faye to open up with some kicks and strikes and really commit so that Jens can get a good level change in. Get back
time out.
Jens
has taken one to the family jewels. Yeah. Crowd here.
Leg has really been taking a beating.
Oh, again. Jeez, I think he's going to want a little longer this time.
Ouch. Look at that
We're
shot
not going to see it again, are we? Oh,
that was a straight field goal kick.
Are we surprised, Jason, that Zhao Yafei hasn't been cautioned by the referee?
Jens Little